on the branches. So select this, click on G and then move it. Okay, then select this, click on G and then move this. Then select this, click on G and then move this. Select this, click on G and move this. Now you think for yourself which one looks good, which of the branches look, which of these tufts look good. So if you kind of don't want these two, what you can do is click on this, click on X and then delete it. If you don't want this, click on it, click on X and delete it. So what you can do is you can take this one, you can click on duplicate and then place this here. If you like this one, click on this, click on duplicate and place this here. So here we have a tree and we have successfully achieved this. Okay, now you can click on render and say render the image. Alright, the image will get rendered for you. You can check it out. Thank you so much.